What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Carson256, aka Mr. Black Sheep, and today we got a very special one. We got some shades from James Oro. This is a company I've been wanting to cop something from for a few years. Finally went on the site, bought me a pair of sunglasses. Got them for my girl's birthday, so we're gonna go ahead and pop them open, see how they look, see how they look on her. I might even model a little bit today. You know, I'm looking a little rough, but I'll try to model it too because I believe these shades are unisex. So let's go ahead and unbox it and see what it's talking about. So I got a box within a box. You know what I'm saying? And today we got the Black Titan. So y'all check these out if y'all want to cop them. Real nice box, real nice material. Right. So that's what we're looking like so far. Got a card right here. Just a 1-year warranty. So I got shea butter all on the card, but you know, gotta stay melanated, you know what I'm saying? Gotta stay moisturized, you know. Can't be ashy on here. Y'all don't talk about me. This is a rag to clean it with, I believe. I ain't gonna open it up yet. I'm gonna let her open it up. What's that at the bottom? It's got the logo on it. I don't know if y'all see it. All right, for the moment of truth. Okay, it's got a little magnet box. Yeah, I really appreciate this presentation. You know what I'm saying? Presentation is everything. So we got the card, box, and a box. 4 boxes in a card and a bag. That's the bag. Let's pop this open. See the front. Let's go ahead and pop these out. Yeah. Real good quality. I got fingerprints on them already. Let me wipe them off for y'all real quick, clean them up. Alright, so I wiped them off just a tad. Let's get this stuff out the background so you can really see. Black Titan. Shout out to Black Titan. Shout out to James Oro. I will put the website in the description. Like I said, I got a few little fingerprints inside, but it's okay. It's got this nice trim on here. I don't know if y'all can see that Titan. Real nice shades, man. I want y'all to see every little detail. See inside how deep the box is, and got the small logo right there. Yeah, man, so I'll get my boo to model them. We're gonna go out to eat tonight, so I'm gonna get her to throw them on real quick. I might throw them on, but I'm looking a little rough. I don't have an edge up and all that, but I might throw them on just to get a guy's perspective of how it would look. But let's get right into it.